Good afternoon, children. For class 9, the topic is how to represent real numbers on the number line. This is also known the process of successive magnification. So now we will discuss how to show 5.2316 on number line with the help of this PPT. Now you can see to represent 5.2316 on the number line. So children, it is clear to you that 5.2316 will lie between 5 and 6, which lies between 5 and 6. 5 और 6 के बीच पड़ेगा 5.2316. 5 से बड़ा है, 6 से छोटा है, इसलिए ये इसके बीच पड़ेगा. ये फर्स्ट स्लाइड है, ये आपको क्लियर है. नाउ कम टू द स्टेप 2. Now let us look closely at the portion of the number line between 5 and 6. Now children, 5 और 6 को देख लीजिए. This is 5 and this is 6. Suppose we divide it into 10 equal parts and then mark first point to the right of 5 will represent 5.1. This will represent 5.1 and the second as 5.2, so on. यहाँ पे 5.2 इसलिए रिप्रेजेंट किया. थर्ड 5.3, 5.5, 5.5 ऐसे सो ऑन. नाउ दिस मीन्स दैट नंबर विच इज पर्टिकुलर नंबर 5.2316 will lie between 5.2 and 5.3. Now step 3 is, now let us magnify the portion which lies between 5.2 and 5.3. Now 5.2 and 5.3. Again 5.2 and 5.3. Split this into 10 equal parts. The first mark will represent 5.21, second 5.22, third is 5.23, fourth is 5.24. Now that particular number, it means that particular number 5.2316 will lie between 5.23 and 5.24. Now come to the next slide. Step 4. Now let us magnify the portion which lies between 5.23 and 5.24. Again divide the line into 10 equal parts. The first mark will represent 5.231 and the second one 5.232. Now see here, that was 5.23 and 5.24. Now split this into 10 equal parts. 5.231, 5.232. So that particular number 5.2316 will lie between 5.231 and 5.232. Now children, come to the next step. Step 5 is, now let us magnify the portion which lie between 5.231 and 5.232. देख लीजिए फिर से इसने 5.231 और 5.232 को 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दिया. और यहाँ मिडिल में देखिए बच्चों, दिस पॉइंट कम्स टू 5.2316 लाइक दिस नंबर केम 5.2316 ऑन द finally that number, particular number 5.2316 will lie between 5.231 and 5.232. Now children, now you have learned what you have learned. This is the summary. So each real number corresponds to exactly one point on the number line. Every point on the number line represents a real number, and infinite real numbers can be drawn on a number line. It is clear to you. The points on the line that is associated with a point on the number line is called the coordinate of the point. Is it clear? Yes, I think it is clear to you. Conclusion. In the light of the discussion above the visualization, we can say that every real number is represented by unique point on the number line. Further, every point on the number line represent one and only one real number. So children, thank you so much.